Okay, so I'm doing this Pico CDF challenge called Python Wrangling. I guess that's what it's called. So this Python script. We're gonna use wget for this. So let's copy the link address. And then, okay, we have login. Okay, and then we have, let's see, wget. Okay, and then, okay, and then let's get all the other files as well. So we have this password. Okay, copy link address. And then wget. Okay, one more file. Let's see this flag. Okay, wget. Okay, so let's see if I do cat. What's it called again? ND. Hi. Okay, let's see. So we have this. Okay. Okay, we have a help message here. So I think that means -d means decrypt. And then okay, so if I run nd.py, okay, so we need to do python 3 nd.py -d. I'm assuming it's like we're doing like the flag thing. What's it called again? Flag.txt.n. Okay, so flag.txt.n. Enter the password. Wait, did I say something? Did I miss something in the prom? I guess. Oh, so that's the password, guys. So let me just keyboard interrupt this. PW. I'm guessing that means password. Okay, so let's just copy this. Oh, that already copied it for me, and then we can just. All right, there we go. Yep. So, okay, and then. Yep. Okay, there we go.